I'm all done cutting grass for the day, but you gotta clean up your mower before you put it away. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do that right now. You don't wanna skip this step, otherwise all that wet grass will cause your mower and deck and engine to rust. This is the Husqvarna 150 BT blower, and I've had this thing for probably 3 or 4 years now, and it's fantastic. It takes a fuel oil mix, but I'll tell you what, every spring this thing starts up on the second pull. It's super powerful. I use it to blow off the deck. I've used it on the roof, the gutters. I use it every week to clean my driveway, and as this video shows, in about 60 seconds I get all of the wet or dry grass off of my mower, off of the deck. It'll blow it out from underneath as well. I'll get all that dust off of the air filter around the engine, the seat. As you can see, it works great. So as you can see, in about 60 seconds, you get literally all of the grass and dirt off your machine. Now, if you really want to dial things in, I've got a homemade Armor All solution that I made myself. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to see how to do this. But in about 60 seconds, using that 150 BT by Husqvarna, I highly recommend everybody have one of those. You can really get your mower all dialed in and prevent it from rusting. This mower has got to be 16 years old and still runs fantastic. And you just gotta take care of it. So anyways, that's it. That's how I get my mower cleaned up each time when I'm done mowing. And hope you guys have found this helpful. I've got a whole bunch of videos on Cub Cadets and lots of other projects. So check out the description. I'll put some product links in if you want to see that video on how I make Armor All. And again, totally recommend a 150 BT by Husqvarna for not only cleaning up your mower, but your whole house after cutting the grass. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.